Welcome to Folknext Academy. I am Keval Vijay and today I am going to teach you lecture number 12 in Excel 2020. Today we will talk about the group in the Insert tab. The last commands we have are SmartArt and Screenshot. How you can use SmartArt and Screenshot to make your work even better. Today we are going to study this in detail, but before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from this video, if you are able to learn anything new, then please do like and share this video, and definitely let me know in the comments which city and country you are from so that I can also know from which areas my subscribers are connected with me. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, we will talk about SmartArt, how to insert SmartArt on a page. So you need to click on SmartArt and then a dialog box for SmartArt will open in front of you. Here you have different categories of SmartArt in the insert list, each with its own categories. So there are lists, processes, cycles, hierarchies, relationships, matrices, pyramids. There are many options available. Depending on the type of SmartArt you want to create, you should select the corresponding category here. For example, if I want to create a SmartArt about relationships, I will select the relationship category, and then you can choose any design you like from here. For instance, I selected this design, and as soon as you click OK, this design will be inserted onto the page. You can also resize it by clicking on any corner. Now, when you click on its outline, a Type Your Text panel opens up in front of you. If this panel does not open, you can also open it by clicking here. After that, as soon as the panel opens, at the very top where it says Text, you need to click there. Here, you have to type the main heading. For example, let's say we are talking about MS Excel, so I have written MS Excel here. Now, what do I want to teach you about MS Excel? I want to teach you about tabs, so I pressed down arrow here and wrote tabs. Then I want to teach you about commands, so I pressed down arrow again and wrote commands. After that, we will talk about formulas, meaning we are preparing a complete project here, so I wrote formula here. And then after that, press down again, and here I have written projects because you also need to do projects here. After that, I have written data entry because I will also teach you data entry here. Then I have written advanced level because I will teach you advanced level topics as well. So you can see that in MS Excel, the main heading is MS Excel, and everything else we will study is included under it. Here, a complete chart has been created for you. Now, if you want to make changes or edit it, you need to click on its outline. Then a SmartArt Design tab will open at the top. The first command we will study here is Convert to Shape. If you want to convert it to a shape and you want that no further editing can be done inside it and nothing else can be written in this panel, then you should click on Convert to Shape. Now see, this panel will not open anymore and you cannot do anything further inside the shape. Your SmartArt is now finalized here. To bring it back, we will click on Undo here and it will come back again. But remember, the Undo command only works as long as the file is open. If you save and close the file and then try to undo, it will not work. Now, we click on the outline again, then go to SmartArt Design and let's talk about Reset Graphic. If any shape gets misaligned or shifts from its place, you can click on Reset Graphic and it will be reset as well. By clicking on SmartArt Style, you can select any design or style you like from here. After that, if you want to change the color, you can also change the color as you wish. Just select the color you want to apply here. If you want to change the layout and you don't like the current design, you can also change the layout from here. There are different types of layouts available. Just click on the layout you want and that layout will be inserted here. And suppose you want to change the position of something here, then you need to click on the tab or box that you want to shift from one place to another. If you click on Move Down, see, the tab that was at the end is now at the beginning. If you want to change this, click here and move it. After that, if you want to hide some data from here or disable it, just click on that data and then click on Promote. As soon as you click on Promote, you'll see that the data has been disabled here. If you want to enable it again, you need to click on Demote and you'll see the data has reappeared. If you want the data on the left side to move to the right or the data on the right to move to the left, just click on Right to Left. In this way, you can switch the data from right to left or left to right. After that, if you want to insert a new shape, click on the shape where you want to insert the new shape and then click on Add New Shape. You'll see a new shape appears here. When you click on this arrow, you'll also see options for Add Shape After and Add Shape Before, so you can insert the shape either before or after the selected shape. Next, if you want to write a new line inside any shape, click on Add Bullets. For example, I've added advanced function here. And if I add another, you can insert more lines within the same active cell, like I've added VLOOKUP here. After that, if you want to turn this panel off, you can click here to turn it off or on as you wish. So in this way, you can edit SmartArt as you like. Next, we'll learn about screenshots, how to insert a screenshot from an active window, another window, or any other place into your sheet or use it in your documents. If you want to use it inside your sheet, the best way to do that is with a screenshot. Click here on screenshot, then click on screen clipping. You have about 3 to 4 seconds, so you need to quickly reactivate the window from which you want to take the screenshot. After clicking on screen clipping, immediately open that window again. As soon as the screen dims and you see a plus sign, select the area you want to capture, like this area. Then, as soon as you click here, you'll see that the screenshot has appeared on your page. You can adjust it anywhere and use it on your sheet. The second method is if you want to take a screenshot of the entire window. Suppose I have opened the Word window here. I press Windows plus R and I type Word here and press Enter. So Word has now opened for me. Now I want to take a screenshot of the entire Word window. First, I need to keep Word open like this. See, I have opened Word like this. Then I open Excel and the Word window is active. You need to go to Insert, then click on Screenshot. You will see that the active window will appear here. As soon as you click here, the entire window will be captured and appear on your page like this. You can adjust it anywhere as you like. So you can also take a screenshot this way. And there is another easy way to take a screenshot. On the right side of your keyboard, above the numeric pad, there is a print screen button. If you want to capture the entire active window, just press the print screen button once. After that, go to Home, and after clicking on Home, when you click on the page, the active window will be captured and appear on your page. If you want to use only a part of it, click on the picture you have taken as a screenshot, then click on Picture Format at the top. This command will only appear when you have clicked on the shape or picture. Go to Picture Format, then click on Crop and crop it to select only the part you want to keep. For example, if we only want to keep this much, we click here. After clicking, you will see it displayed like this. So this was our lecture for today, in which I taught you how to use SmartArt and how to use screenshots. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. If you learned something from this video, please do like and share it. We'll meet again in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.